نحن الآن في منطقة بانشبول. كما نرى سنصور محل فلاح موبايل لصاحبه أجمل ناس أحمد وأخيه أيضا. لمن يريد أن يتوجه ويصلح أي نوع من المحمول موبايل، repair, iPhone screen replacement, Samsung screen replacement, software issues, motherboard IC repair, anything, network unlocking, charging problems, iPad glass replacement، يتوجه إلى أحمد. أحلى محل فلاح. How are you today? Okay, tell us something about your shop, when it's open, what you're doing here. Yeah? Yes. Yes.
So we open 7 days,
Yeah.
like 9 to 8.
Yes.
And you can come for the anything to my
Yeah.
shop.
Yeah.
Like, we do repairing here,
Yeah.
we do cell phone, we do fixed phone.
Yeah.
And we bought the phone as well.
Yeah.
If your phone is broken and you wanna sell, you can come to me, and anything for anything you can come back to me.
With low
And
price.
yeah, of course it's very low price. Like and our all product we always use the
Yeah.
high quality.
Yeah.
And the main thing is we give the 3-month warranty as well. Like if you got any problem, you can come
Yeah,
back to
yeah,
me.
yeah.
That's a big thing. Like
Good, good,
So
good.
I'll show you my
Yeah,
shop from
yeah.
inside now. You can
Oh,
see.
let's go. Very
Yeah,
nice.
here.
Very nice. The shop. Tell me something. Here you have different colors for mobile. You have all sort of mobile, all kind of mobiles here. Cover.
Yeah, everything we have.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
is for the Samsung. Like
Very nice, yeah.
we have all types. We have all colors.
Yes.
If you come to my shop, you will get the heaps of the
Really?
variety.
Okay. Okay. Tell us something here. What's this?
This is for the
Here.
Samsung S9.
Yeah.
The cheap cases, we give for very cheap price. This is very good quality,
Yes.
and it's the silicone one.
Yeah. Okay, let's go here. We've got nice set for iPhone or Samsung as well.
Nah, this is for the Samsung as well. This wall is for the Samsung actually. Now I'll show you my iPhone cases.
Yes.
If you come to this side, this side,
What's
please.
this, Ahmed? What's this sky slide?
This is like if you're using your cards and the stuff, bank card, Opal card, you can slide the case from the back and you can put your card inside. Like you don't have to carry your bag or hand carry with you. You can use mobile as a wallet as
That's
well.
good.
Yeah.
One like this.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll give you.
Let's move. I like this one.
Yep.
Command sky slide. Number is the same but red.
Yeah,
isn't it?
but it's the iPhone. It's a different model actually.
But this Samsung one, isn't it?
Yeah, this is the Sam.
Okay.
This
you
is.
have all equipment here. You to repair the mobile.
Yeah, we have everything. We have a laboratory, the back side, we'll show you. Yeah, this is the protector. Yeah, is the protective case, the eye face one.
Yeah, good. Adidas, if like Adidas, yeah. They're all nice. Ahmed, what's this?
Actually, this is the iPad protector, the glass protector.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
very
yeah.
protective.
Yeah.
If you have an iPad, please put the protector on it.
Yeah.
It's gonna protect your screen.
Yes, good. This all nice. Good. What's this charger?
Yeah, this the
what's this
cables.
body?
This is the
Wireless?
wireless charger. Actually, yeah.
How much is it? $50.
This one $50.
Wireless. Wireless.
Yeah,
this one.
you just have to put your phone on it and
Yeah.
it start charging.
Really?
Yeah,
But
you
how
don't have to.
charge
You
it
don't need
overnight?
the wire. You don't need anything. You just have to put your phone on it and it start charging.
I have the other one, white one, and I use a white one. But I have to put the wire with it.
Yeah.
It's good price, yeah.
Yeah, but this one is the wireless
Better?
actually.
I
Yeah.
buy one now for Let me tell me something. Yeah, what's this too? iPhone.
This is
7
protector. The ceramic
Yeah.
protector is very protective.
Yeah.
Is the hammer proof actually.
Okay. Now, where did you learn this profession or job?
Actually, I learned from my country.
Yeah.
I used to work in Dubai as well for 2 years, and I went
Good.
to
I
college
went to
there.
Dubai twice.
Yeah, it's very
Yeah.
nice place. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I learned these all things from Dubai actually.
Yeah.
There are a lot
Good.
of technicians there. They are very high qualified actually, and they
All your
learn-
family do the same job or they do different career? Or different-
Actually, my brother is here with me. He's doing the same thing as well. We have another shop in Belmore. He used to go there, and now we're hiring someone there, and we're making for another shop,
Okay, let's move a little bit here.
Yeah.
Then beautiful. Ilfalah, say your shop name in your accent.
Is Ilfalah mobile shop.
Where?
Actually, yeah.
At the Boulevard?
Is 283 Boulevard, Punchbowl.
The phone
Just
number?
next to the station, like
Phone number?
Phone number is 041 2858 351.
Okay, say with me. شوفوا نحن وين؟
What?
شوفوا نحن وين؟ I say it. شوفوا نحن وين؟ نحن وين؟ Where at? What's your shop name?
Ilfalah mobile shop.
Thank you.
No worries.
كما نرى الأشياء الجميلة، النظافة، الترتيب. الترتيب، كل الأشياء حلوة موجودة. التليفونات. You sell phones as well.
Yeah, we do sell phone, we do sell iPad, we
with
do
contract
everything.
and everything.
No contract actually.
How much the least يعني phone cheaper phone?
The cheap phone is start from $100, $80. The prepaid one.
No, prepaid one. And iPad, how much is it?
The iPad, I have iPad 6 Pro, iPad 6th generation Pro, and it's about $500 only.
يلا good. يلا that's good. اوكي كنا مع شوفوا نحن وين. الفلاح بانشبول بوليفارد. اجمل الناس. هلا I ask you later about where you from. Okay, now we're talking about the فلاح mobile sales and repairing. ما بتندموا اذا جيتوا على هالمحل. أجمل الناس، أحلى الترحيب والمعاملة الحسنة والتصليح الجيد لكل أنواع المحمول. ألف شكر أستاذ أحمد. Thank you.
Thank you. Please come to my shop just for a visit. And if you like anything to buy, it's up to you. But otherwise, I please recommend you come just for a visit.
Beautiful. Falah Mobile Sales. As I said, Falah Mobile Sales and Repairing open 7 days for repair. Call 02 9758 9712 0401 345 656 www.alfalahmobilesales.com. Thank you. Thank you. اوكي كما نرى اجمل المكان. اللون الاخضر المعبر. الناس الطيبين. الناس الذين يعملون بيقولوا بامانه. والاسعار كتير جيده. الفلاح موبايل سيلز ريبيرينج.